I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your statement on the Amex app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Amex app. Launch the American Express app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your statements. Step 2. Navigate to the Account tab. Once you're logged in, locate and tap on the Account tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account overview. Step 3. Select Statements. In the Account section, look for the Statements option. Tap on it to view your available statements. Step 4. Choose the statement period. You will see a list of available statement periods. Select the one you want to review by tapping on it. This will open the detailed view of that statement. Step 5. Review your statement. Now you can scroll through your statement details, including transactions and balances. If you need to download or share it, look for the options at the top right corner. Remember, if you don't see the Statements option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Happy checking!